China? Huishan Ancient Town is a restored historical area. Quote, a town with beautiful landscape, excellent talents, and rich culture.
It's so cool. Oh, these things, yeah. We had them in school, didn't we?
Yeah. I think it is. Ah, sure, that's so good. That's brilliant. Really, you got it going on, yeah? Our intrepid expats took to the streets to discover what excellence was on offer. Just walk through me, don't worry about me. Sipping hot tea, snacking on seeds, playing games, the locals honored their traditions. There are 4 main areas one can visit: the sights area, the scenic area, the street area, and the forest area. Dad jokes, I'm allowed to. I paid the price. Apart from an occasional nudge or a curious glance, most locals only had interest in their company and the content of their hand. From the Tang dynasty in the 8th century to the current republic, you can see more than 100 intact ancient ancestral temples and sites.
Should I get my shirt? Okay, so Pink Floyd's okay. Yeah. Oh no, I've got it.
Our group took a moment to regroup and be merry. Please. The Huishan Lake, visited and admired by past emperors whom described the area as elegant, leisurely and quiet. Somewhat like this fella. Perhaps a little too quiet for our young party, we took off to discover the forest. Such an adventurer! Zombies! Away from the building of modern China, we were released to explore her simpler joys. Slide down, my girl. There we go. Deep into the forest, we discovered we were not alone. The graceful art of Tai Chi was being practiced. Revitalized, the children made another discovery. An amusement park.
Then that would be.
Well, I'm relaxed about whether I go.
A deal was struck. And a car ride was agreed upon. followed by a spacewalk in the treetops.
I don't even know if you need to steer. See if we can turn it around a bit.
With closing time upon us, we wearily made our way to the exit. We had missed gardens, museums, temples, springs, valleys. But we had seen so much and were excited to one day come back for more.